I have purchased all these products myself, and this video is not sponsored by Urbanic. I'm trying Urbanic for the first time, and it's my genuine feedback about all these products that I've ordered.
Hello and welcome back to Fresh Delicious. My name is Tresha Bharti, and in today's video I'm going to do an Urbanic haul for all my female viewers, as it was the most suggested video. Urbanic is an Indian app. It's an Indian street style fashion sort of app, and I ordered a lot of stuff from Urbanic to try it out their quality. And it's a relatively new app. It's sort of like Shein, but Shein was Chinese, so it was banned in India. And I'm gonna do Urbanic haul.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn.
So this is the first night suit that I got, and it's like cute. I don't like it. The quality is like good. It's really fuzzy and cute. It has pockets. It's really soft and cute, and I like these little detailing of color, and it has like flowers.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
Now, second outfit. This is outfit number 2 and has like strawberry print here. It's like super cute. It's a bit big for me. Like I'll probably get a smaller size in this. Oh, and it has pockets. And I think it's a ribbon or a belt. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. Pants are more comfortable than the previous one, and they're super cute. I like this one too. It's like so cute.
Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Put that on my partner. I put
Cool, so I'm gonna try outfit number 3 now. So that's outfit number 3. And it's again fuzzy and cute. Like I wanted like winter night PJ set for me. I don't know if I share this problem with people or not, but I have thick thighs. So if anything fits me fine on the top, the bottom's gonna be tight for me if it's a coordinated set. And if the bottom is fitting me, then the top is going to be loose, because if thighs fit large, my upper body fits medium. And I struggled with this throughout my life. I'm probably going to return this because the fit of the bottom is a bit tight for me. Outfit number 4. This is outfit number 4, and it's like so cute. Unfortunately, it doesn't have pockets. I wish it had pockets. But the fit is perfect. The bottom and the top fits me perfectly despite my thighs, my thigh problem. This little lace work is cute. The pant should, it could have been a little more longer. Like you guys can see my ankle. I wish it would have been a little more longer, but the fit is fine. It's quite stretchable and it's fuzzy.
that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. On the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderall.
I have ordered a couple of sweatshirts from Urbanic. Let's try those now. That's the first sweatshirt. It's a NASA sweatshirt. The quality is, it's a bit see-through. The quality is good. The fit is fine. I like my sweatshirts a bit oversized.
Call me if you need a fix. Call me if you need a boost. See them other chicken heads, they don't ever leave the coop. I'm in the coop cruising. I got the stolen plates, serving all the fiends over there by the Golden Gate.
I'm gonna try sweatshirt number 2. This is the next sweatshirt. I wish the neck would have been a little bit tighter. The fit's fine. The quality is okay. It's not see-through unlike the white one. This is bothering me. I wish it was a bit tight. Would have really given a gracious look, but it's not, unfortunately. Moving to the next outfit. This is so soft. It's a cardigan sorts, like a pullover. And the turtleneck, oh boy. I love turtlenecks, and it's like pretty long if you guys would want to like wear it with jeans and stuff. And love the quality. Absolutely love the quality of this one. It's pretty thick, pretty warm. Perfect for a dinner date. I'm gonna try the next outfit. That's a plain black sweatshirt. I expected it to be a bit oversized, but the sleeves are like short. I don't know why, even though like I ordered double my size. Is it worth the price? I don't think so. Quality is a bit thin. It's decent, like the quality is decent. It's not that bad, it's not that great. But I think they charged me 1,000 rupees for this. I will probably just return this one. I wish it was a bit more oversized. I'll probably check if a large or a XL is available.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
With this, we come to an end of the whole Urbanic haul video. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna make such more haul video for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you guys like any products. This is my genuine opinions about all the products. I'm trying Urbanic for the first time. This is not a collaboration. They did not pay me for the products. They did not send these products to me. They're not paying me anything. It's my genuine views. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'm reminding you guys, it's all for the algorithm. For me, you just watching this video is so much more to me than you subscribing or liking or anything, but it's for the algorithm. They'll notice your little girl making videos for you, so I get promoted too. But ठीक है, करना है कर लो, अच्छी बात है, करोगे तो अच्छी बात है. With this, we come to an end.
If I could make you see my wounded heart, you might